Apple's trying to play me right now because you know how whenever you run out of storage on your iCloud, they always push to you to buy more storage. I always held off, and I'm like, you know what, let me just upgrade right now, buy some storage, and for some reason, it won't let me buy storage. Hey girl, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be another haul. Yes, I know we're in quarantine, I shouldn't be spending money, but hey, guess what? I didn't. If you guys do not follow me, you probably wouldn't know because I talk about this all the freaking time about how Ulta has a reward system where the more money you spend, the more money you get back. And if you accumulate those points, you get back more money to spend at Ulta. So I accumulated about $128 and I spent about $86 because Ulta has this cool little thing where you cannot use all of your points to get free stuff. You have to use enough to where you'll get majority of it free, but you still have to pay some money. Makes sense. I'm okay with that. So today's video is going to be an Ulta slash Juvia's Place slash Target slash Walgreens haul. Before we get into this video, as always, please be sure to hit that like button because you know it'll help your girl out. Also, hit that subscribe button to join the KP family if you want to see more hauls like this one. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Before anybody says anything, I received these packages yesterday, and before I even touched them or anything, I sprayed them down with Lysol and let them sit for a day so that, you know, it could kill any germs. We're starting from the box from Ulta because, like I said, it is the biggest purchase that I have. I was trying to get as much stuff as I could to have enough content for the next couple weeks. We have a few things that are for Foundation Fridays, and I like that they put any of the glass packaging in bubble wrap, which is awesome. Every foundation, I do not know if it'll actually match me. So, I mean, I can make it work, okay? I can make it work. So the first thing I got was the Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I have high hopes for this foundation. So there's this. I may do this one for next week. Whichever foundation you're interested in seeing first, let me know so I can do that one first for this Friday and so on and so forth. Also, if you're wondering, because a lot of people ask me about my shade, I got this in the shade 60 Latte Macchiato Beige. So that one, by the way, very difficult to figure out a shade. So yeah, that one's really hard. Ooh, okay. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger, but you know, small packs a punch. I purchased the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle 4 Blush Palette. And if you guys do not know, I'm obsessed with BH Cosmetics. I don't put it too much on my channel because I only have a few palettes, but from what I do have, their pigmentation is amazing. So when I saw this, I want to say majority of everything that I got was on their spring sale. So this is also the Ulta spring sale. But when I purchased this, I thought this was going to be like a lot bigger, kind of like the Beauty Bakery blush palette. That's kind of what I was expecting. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, that smells. Ooh, it smells like almost like chocolate, but like sweet. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, that is cute. I wanted to have more blushes too because whenever I do looks, I use the same old Wet n Wild blush. I forgot what I ordered. But I do remember this. I got the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation in the shade Sand Beige. I don't think they actually had the shade that I matched to on foundation, but I got the closest to it, which would probably work best because it might be dark. This is something I wanted to try out. I want to say this is new. Another thing I got is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I actually still have some in my collection, but I've had it for a while, so I may just toss it. But this is a really good setting spray. I wanted to get an inexpensive setting spray, drugstore setting spray too, for when I do drugstore makeup looks, and I know that I really like this one. I honestly should have gotten the matte one because I do have oily skin, so I don't know why I didn't do it. Next thing is a repurchase. It's the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I actually already have this and I'm literally running to the last bit. I stopped using makeup wipes as much as I want to grab them. I stopped using them because they do leave micro tears on your skin. So I decided to start using some micellar waters with cotton pads, and that's been working pretty great. Next is an e.l.f. matte putty primer. So I haven't tried the original putty primer, but I decided to try the mattifying one because I do have oily skin. Like I said, I could probably get the regular pore putty primer and place it in the areas that I am dry because I am combination. So I have oily T-zone, Most of my forehead's oily, but then the rest is dry. Very seco. Oh, I forgot about this. Next thing is from Colourpop. And I have been eyeing this on their website for the longest time once I saw the Ulta Beauty was having a sale. But this is the Sol Body Shimmering Body Powder. And I've had my eye on these because these remind me, I don't have it, but they remind me of the Marc Jacobs bronzers. I thought I got a less yellowy gold. But I mean, okay. I'll take it. Yeah, I was really excited because these kind of look like the Marc Jacobs bronzers, like the pan, not, you know what I'm saying. But it looks like it was inspired by it, so I've been dying to get highlighters from there. So I ordered the Patricia Bright by Makeup Revolution collaboration, and this is the Rich in Color shadow palette. There was another one, I was debating on buying that one, or even the Emily Wants palette. Actually, there's a lot of palettes I was debating on buying because A, they were having a sale. I want to stay on these two. And B, I knew I was using my points and I was like, oh, well, do I want to save some of my points? Maybe, I don't know. Why can't I open things? Oh, jeez. What is going on? Hold up. No! Okay, luckily, I don't want to jinx it. Luckily, it's just the actual pan and not, I'm gonna have to like re-glue this back in. This just, as soon as I opened it, it was popped out. I knew that this was damaged because of the way it was on the outside. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's a pretty color though. Okay, so imagine the red in there. This is what the palette looks like. I am extremely excited to use my basic ass, to use the glitter shade right here. I saw the blues, the yellows. I was like, oh, hell yeah, girl, we're gonna use this. I ordered some things from Juvia's Place from Ulta.com, and then I ordered also from Juvia's Place because here's the kicker. I don't think they're having their sale anymore, but Ulta was having their spring sale and they had their palettes 40% off. So these palettes that I bought were $8 each. And on top of that, I was using my points. So I was like, oh, hell yeah, okay. And then I was trying to get the foundation to do a Foundation Friday because I haven't done it. I've only done the stick foundation. And Juvia's Place was actually having a sale as well, and I want to say it was also like a 30 to 40% off or something on their stuff. The foundation wasn't on sale at Ulta, but it was on Juvia's Place. So kind of tricky because I want to buy from Ulta to get my points, but at the same time, Juvia's Place has better deals than Ulta does. So yeah, I would just say check Juvia's Place or before you go to Ulta. So I purchased 4 palettes. These are the new palettes that Juvia's Place came out with. It is the nudes, the berries, the violets, and the chocolates. And the reason why I bought all 4 is, first I saw this on, oh, it's upside down. I saw this on Juvia's Place and I was like, oh my god, I need to buy all 4. The chocolate one had me sold. So here is the nudes. I just have to double check to make sure nothing's busted. This is the nudes. This is the violets. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this one. This is the chocolates palette. This is the palette that made me want to buy all of them. And lastly, we have, oh, I've never seen this in person. I just saw it online and I was like, oh, this is pretty. Yeah, okay. Girl, this is pretty. Oh my gosh. Moving on to Juvia's Place, when I got the box, I was like, oh, okay, it's a small box. I was like, what did I order again? Oh yeah, I ordered 3 things. I purchased the I Am Magic foundation. This is the liquid foundation in the shade Punta Cana 435. This is the most difficult foundation to shade match. Foundation didn't have this on there, so we're just kind of guesstimating. I got the liquid concealer in the shade Magic Concealer 18. Yes, ooh, this is good. Ooh, I like this. Okay, that's gonna work. That's gonna work for me. I purchased the Harrowing Glow 2 by Juvia's. And this, oh my gosh, this package is sickening. But I wanted to get a highlighter, and I like that they have the pressed one. I didn't want to get the loose highlighter, but in the future, I'll probably get them because every time I see the loose highlighters at Ulta, I'm like, oh, I want to buy it. But I already have enough loose highlighters and they're messy. I forgot to show you guys one product. This is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I have used so many of these. These are really good. And I got this on sale, I want to say for like $3, but they're usually like $5. Super inexpensive. They work, I don't want to say just as great as my Anastasia brows, but they, for a drugstore, this is super good. And I got this in the shade Blackest Brown. I try to go darker with my eyebrows just because I want a bit more of contrast on my face. I don't like when my eyebrows are too light and it looks weird, like washed out. So yeah, that is it for this makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also leave me a comment on what was your favorite product that you're excited about and what you would like for me to review or to do a tutorial on next so I can do it. Don't forget to subscribe to join the K-Babe family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Okay.